Happy New Year, and today we're doing unboxing our Insta360 X4. Ayan guys. Ayan, ang parcel na abot na. Ayan guys, unboxing natin to. Mayroon diyang mga picture. Ayan, mag-unboxing tayo. Focus natin. Ayan ang ating Insta360. Ayaw mabuksan. Ayan guys, may picture dyan. Ayan, ang ating Insta360 X4 camera, action camera. Kailangan natin ng casing. Kailangan natin ilagay ang casing dito. May casing. Ayan ang casing guys. Tapos mayroong dalawang bulsa maliit para to sa lens. Ayan guys. Kailangan ingatan natin kasi unreplaceable ang lens. Ayan, pag nabasag yan, wala na. Ingatan. Ayan, ang ating camera. Mayroon ditong warranty booklet. Safety guidelines. Ayan, basahin nyo mga iba-ibang languages. Waterproof. Ayan, waterproof. Waterproof. Ayan guys. Warranty card. Ayan. Kailangan tingnan natin ang ibang tingnan natin dito. Ayan guys, meron siyang USB C-type, both and C-type. Pwede mo i-plug dito sa laptop, diretso na sa laptop siya. You have to download the apps. 360 Studio. Download in your laptop and then ready to edit your video. Yan. This is how to connect. Open, how to open. Then connect your USB. Then mag-charge na. Start charging. Pero you can use any USB type. Plug to the charger. And then this is your battery. Ayan, pag on dito. Close. Turn on daw. Just turn on. Ayan. Tapos on, off. Ayan na battery dyan. Ayan na to. Turn it off. Ayan, open this battery like that. And then you insert USB card there. Use a proper SD card guys. We're using, show you our SD card is there. Okay, 200, itong gamit namin. We're just using 256 gigabyte. Yan. That's our, that's what we're using for now. Ayan. Back. ibalik ang battery. Put it back. Ay, wrong way. Wrong way. Pag wrong way, malalaman mo, hindi siya if it's wrong, you will know. Ayan, guys. Kailangan, you have to wipe the camera lens all the time with your cloth. Mayroon tong kasamang cloth, hindi ko alam nasaan na yun. Ayan. Ayan, mayroon tayong casing para hindi sira. Ayan, you have to put like this. Put like that, guys. Para hindi siya matakpan. So, you have to put this side. So, it will not covering the screen. So, you have to go this way. Hala ka. Ayan, guys. And slide only. And then, you have a lens guard. You have to put your lens guard like. You got 2 lens guard. You have to go like this. Kailangan you have to protect the lens every time you wipe the silky cloth. Kasama tong silky cloth. Ayan, guys. You have to cover the lens. My God. Hindi siya ikot. Ayan, guys. Basta mo ikot na siya. Ayan, you have your lens guard and you have to buy this separately. The lens cover. Lens protector. Rubber siya. Lens protector. Ayan, may lens protector siya. You have to buy it separately. You just say lens cap. You can buy it Amazon. You can buy in Amazon. Insta360 Expo lens cap. Ayan. You just go like this, slide, and then your lens is protected. Ayan. And then, meron tang stick. Ayan. Mount stick. You have to, invisible stick to siya, guys. Invisible, hindi siya makikita. Nga nag-hold kag stick. Ayan, may pangalan siya. Invisible selfie stick. Ayan, you have to put like this. Like that. And then straighten it up like this. All the way. And then magiging invisible na siya. Ayan, guys. If you on, ayan, guys. Turn on lang to siya. Makikita na yung If you turn on like that, and press this one here, and you can just slide all the menu. You can see all the menu here. Just go like that. It's touch screen. Good. What's that? Okay. Ayan, mayroon akong video. We have a video already. Ayan, guys. You can See the video like that. Just go slide. And then it will show up your video, how many photos. Yan. Then you can click the menu as well, motorbike. Yan, motorbike, sports, outdoor. Yan, it show you shopping, cars, balls for, ayan guys, mga outdoors activity. And just go like this. Slide. If you want photo, you just click photo and it will take a picture. HDR photo, ayan. Then pwede you can use time lapse on a star lapse. And then dash cam, loop recording, ayan. Bullet. Just watch tutorial. Ayan. Off na natin to. Ayan guys, ang ating unboxing today. Hindi ko na yung dump cloth. Isan ko. Ayan, when you just hold here to pull like this. Then don't hold like that, it will damage your camera. Ayan guys. Marami din nag-tutorial paano how to use this. You can watch some people doing tutorial. This is a microphone this side. But to charge, how to charge like that. You can put microphone this side. You want a microphone, mic. And then there's so many speaker. You get speaker here as well. And this is how to on and off. Ayan guys. That's it for our today's video. Guys, see you next time. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bea Pick and Mix Vlog. Ayan, nalaglag na. Ayan guys. See you. Bye-bye.